कासावले जावपी ओव्हरब्रिजाक सुमार 30 कासावलेच्या थळाव्यांनी विरोध उक्तायला. अंडरपास हो एक बरो पर्याय आसा अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा. RDX खातीर कासावलेच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
And we have come there. I'm very thankful to these people who have come with me for asking for the collector, deputy collector, to asking for under bridge instead of a flyover. The flyover is causing a great distraction to the village of Arosing, Kasauli and Kuenli. The flyover, if it's spread between the railway itself, like Margaon, it would have not caused much. But they have spread this flyover the distance over 2 kilometers from, and they want to close the railway gate, having a flyover in lieu of railway gate, they say, which is very unjust. Even in Marjoda, they are having railways meeting the these needs of two railways, Konkan Railway and South Western Railway. But they are still having an underpass followed by a railway gate. They have not closed down the railway gate. But these people, with the intention, with the hidden plan, the Panchayat and the government official, they have a hidden plan of having a major district road from Welfam to Mobor. And in order to promote this major district road, they are trying to have this flyover of a huge this thing. They are just like putting the cart before the horse. First they want to do a huge flyover, destroying everyone's environment, topography of the village, plus environment. So many trees are going to cut. And now, because to promote that major district road from Mobor to Welfam, if they do start it now, people will object because their compounds are going, houses are going. So they want to start with this flyover and then promote that major district road. This is a hidden plan.
Are you all fine with the railway underpass?
We are very much fine with the railway path, because everywhere where the railway is having underpass, they connecting to existing PWD road.
पळय आयज हो सरकारान ह्या बारीक लोकांक काबार करपाची प्लॅन ह्या सरकारान केला. पयले डबल रेल्वे नोटिसां धाडल्या, आतां रेल ओवर ब्रिज म्हूण दुसरो डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन केला. आतां हो सरकार जेन्ना गांवच्या लोकांनी ऑब्जेक्शन केलें, सगळ्या पंचायतींनी ऑब्जेक्शन डबल रेल्वे लायन नाका तेन्ना हो रेल ओवर ब्रिज बांदपाची इतली स्पीड कित्याक सरकाराक आसा? एक सायड सरकार लोन घेता आनी सॅलरी पे करता, दुसरी सायड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुमी बांदता लोकांचे एगेन्स्ट. आतां ह्या ट्रॅकाचेर 14 ट्रेन वता कोलाचे. गोंयच्या सीएमान सांगलां कितें की 50% हे आपूण देंवयतलो. जेन्ना 50% देंवयतलो तो ट्रेन जातली कमी, सो आमकां क्रॉसिंगाक प्रॉब्लम ना. वा रेल ओवर ब्रिज कित्याक जाय? आनी बरें रेल ओवर ब्रिज बांदता तो 3 किलोमिटर रेल ओवर ब्रिज, हो कित्याक लागून बांदता? हो आयज ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करपाक हेवी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन आमच्या गांवांनी व्हरपाक आयज MDR रोड आसा 8 मिटर, तो आयज नॅशनल हायवे करपाचो प्लॅन आसा. आनी हे गांवच्या लोकांक आयज काबार कर, फाल्यां रेल्वे सेटबॅक, रेल ओवर ब्रिज सेटबॅक, रस्त्याचो सेटबॅक, लोकांनी बांदपाचें खंय, रावपाचें खंय?
It is hearing, we have just started the hearing.
Today was the first day of the hearing.
Yes, yes.
How many people came today?
Whoever we had issued notice, we don't issue more than 10 people in a day.
Okay.
All have appeared.
This hearing is for what?
It is for that overbridge at Kasaulim railway.
So this is not for double track or anything. So to construct the overbridge at
Yes.
Kansaulim.
तांचे कितें ग्रीवन्स बी आसले सर तांचे?
Yes, grievances are there that I am hearing as per the act. I am hearing the grievances.
How many people total will be called for the hearing?
See, whoever has filed objections, they will be called. Whoever we have given a notice as per the process, as per the act, and people have filed objections.
Numbers around approx.
Around it is around 32 something.
Okay, so per day 10 means it will go on for next 2-3 days.
Yes, it will go on until all the issues are resolved and I pass the order.
Okay.
सर पूण तांचे कितें स्पेशल डिमांड बी कितें आसा? तांचे कितें स्पेशल डिमांड बी कितें आसा?
Special demand. No, whoever is losing land, they have filed an objection stating that what. So for that we will take up the railways also. We will take up their what is the exact plan, who is losing, whatever. Because they are also under. They also don't know exactly how much the land they are losing. So for that we will have to carry on a detailed hearing. If required site inspection, whatever is required, we will conduct through the railways. Finally,
This is a proposal by Southwestern.
yes.
constructing an overbridge at Kansala.
Yes,
That's
yes,
it.
it is. Yeah.
But today it was specifically with regards to the overbridge.
Yes.
It is not regarding the objection of the land acquisition process and nothing. Today.